What's up, guys? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen. I have one question for every single viewer here. Have you ever showed up to a party like this? Oh, hey dudes, brought some chips and salsa. Brought some Tostitos cheese dip, dude. Got any chips though? I forgot some, dude. Ugh, dude, come on. This dip dates back to the Morse family, way back to 1995. First, you want to start chopping the pepper jack. Then we're gonna take your serving dish, spread the cream cheese all over the bottom of that. Crack open your chili, pour it right over the top. Layer the cheese on top. Throw this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. Ooh, bubbling. Yeah. We got our dip ready. It's piping hot. We're gonna burn our mouth. First bite. I just burnt my mouth so bad. Honestly, it doesn't get much better than this. It's so simple, so easy to make. It'll be a hit at literally every single party you go to. Thanks again for tuning in to Mark's Kitchen. And you already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's Kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.